went from Atlanta to Nashville. I worked with groups to bring the amphitheater, which created jobs for Birmingham. I want you to understand something. The World Games, the police games, those are things that I worked on for District 9.
Houses repaired, $8 million worth of houses have been repaired in Birmingham.
All right. Josh Vasa has been in Birmingham for 40 years. He's worked in nonprofit and community.
My street alone in Norwood, there are over 20 vacant properties, and that is unacceptable.
Here on our level, on the front lines at the City Council, we are seeing that in real world play out and diminished resources for
represent the city of Birmingham as a board member of the National League of Cities. He gave me a brief message.
We go on a journey. There may be some things that you encounter while you're getting to your destination. And there have been things that we've seen in District 7.
I had 58% in homicide reduction. We did that by investing in violent interrupters. Again, people that are closest to the problem are the solution.
Our community has a grocery store, and we are actually ensuring that we will have that grocery store in place in the winter of 2026. I was a part of the
I served on with Metropolitan Democratic Women Association. We helped pave the way for many opportunities for code enforcement, and on Tuesday, August 29th,
mentoring over 150 girls over the city.
JB earned a master's, and 10 years after that, I earned an EDS degree. I am the co-founder of Birmingham Magic Lacrosse. I'm gonna come from behind the podium on that one.
The kids yearly. I think this was our 10th year. We create what you call a mobile classroom.
Give some facts here quickly. Our school system went from being one that was troubled, one that had no future, to now one that is nationally being recognized. Three things that
sons go now. I believe we cannot allow only select schools to carry the mantle of excellence.
has come a long way, but we also have a long way to go. For the last 3 years, we have maintained a consistent C average in our Birmingham City school system. Well, as your representative, I'm running to take that C to a B and then to an A, because